All right, vampires. The single most important thing you can probably do as a consumer of YouTube. AdBlock. AdBlock browser extension for Google Chrome. It's an extension. It's free to download and it's free to use. I've been using it for quite a while and it tells me I have 330,000 ads blocked. Now that could just be since the last time I updated AdBlock, but it's a lot. Whatever it is, it's saved me a lot of time and I don't need to see that many Bolt commercials on the YouTube. So this is how you can add the AdBlock to your Chrome browser. Step 1. In Google, search AdBlock extension. The first thing that'll pop up will be this. In our second step, you will be opening the Chrome extension page for AdBlock. So just click on that first one and it looks like this at the bottom. Step 3, on the right-hand side of the page, you'll click on Add to Chrome. By adding the extension to Chrome, it'll be there forever. Some other items will pop up. Click Affirmative for all of these prompts as well. Step 4, check that AdBlock is now in your Chrome toolbar above. Our final step, Step 5, go to YouTube and test it out. All right, now we're going to watch this rather cool documentary about Timișoara with our old non-AdBlock functioning Chrome browser.
With Photo Vibrance, you can transform any photo into a mesmerizing moving image in just...
Although Photo Vibrance looks pretty cool, I think we would all rather, now with our new AdBlock extension in our Chrome browser, just go straight through our cool documentary. Timișoara, 4K, a day in the little Vienna of Eastern Europe. Beautiful. Now guys, if you want any help with this or any other questions about YouTube playlist, anything, let us know. As always, book some time with us and we'll be more than happy to help.